Assalamu alaikum, Sonio. How you all doing today? I hope you're happy, keeping well, keeping safe. I know it's been a while since I last made a vlog. Sorry about that, guys. I'm really sorry. Just been extremely busy, extremely busy. Right, anyway, so today I'm going to try some Paani Puri, also known as golgappa. I'll show you what they are, and I'll show you what comes with it as well. So we're going to give it a try and see what it's like and what it tastes like. Okay. Right, here I've got all the setup already here. So I'll go through what I've got here. So this is the main part. That's the gappa. That's like the house of all the ingredients. Right, okay. So we've got also spiced potato. We've got chickpeas. We've got onion. We've got sour sauce. This has got tamarind in it. It's got lemon juice, a little bit of chili powder, and salt, and a tiny bit of soy sauce. This is a minty dip. This one's got like coriander and mint mixed up in a blender with water, a bit of lemon juice in it, and chili. This one's like not quite spicy. This one, the tamarind one, is like quite sour. And then the third chutney we've got is the red chutney. That's a little bit sweet. What I've done for that one is blended up some red peppers, some tomatoes, some sugar, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of coriander and oregano. That's really nice. Right, okay. This is quite famous, like street food in India and Pakistan. It's very popular. You often see, like, not big, small, like a little tiny stall, a one-man stall that will have all ingredients, and then when a customer comes, you will then make it up for the customer one by one. They will then have a one by one as well. So I'm just going to go through, how to have it. Right, what you do is take a gappa first of all, make a hole in it, which I've already done for you, like that. And what you need to do is stick some spiced potatoes in. Not too much, just need to put the rest of the ingredients, a little bit of chickpea, and a little bit of onion. So these are really the base ingredients, and then after that, it depends on what Paani you want, the chutneys after that, what you want to put inside. I'm gonna try a few. I'm gonna try all of them, to be honest. Chickpeas and that one as well. A little bit of onion going in. There we go. One more. Might as well just do that one as well. Get in there. There we go. Some chickpeas. If I get some, yeah, there we go. Some chickpeas and some onion. It's not enough. That's fine. Okay, so we've got all the base set up. Right, so first one I'm going to try is with the tamarind sauce. So what you do is just get a little bit of sauce, put it inside. basically top it up with the sauce in it, and then what you would do, you just shove it down your gob. Right, here it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh wow. You get a crunch first off the golgappa, and then I could taste onions, all the ingredients inside, and then the salmoniness of the tamarind sauce that just tops it all off. Oh, that's so nice. That was really nice, actually. Right, okay, let's try it. Right, the next one I'm going to try is with the mint sauce. Shove that in. Again, top it all up to the top. This is meant to have, like, you know, lots of water in it, you know, the watery chutneys. And let's try this one. This one's really fresh with the mint and coriander sauce. Oh, this one's quite spicy, actually. It's got to me. But again, it's really nice. Really nice flavour. Oh, so good, honestly. Really good. Still taste the freshness and the flavour of the mint sauce even after I've ate it all. I can still, like, you know, feel it all around my palate. Very nice. Very, very nice. Right, okay. So let's try the third one, with the sweet one, the sweet sauce. Right, okay, let's put the sweet sauce on this one. Oh, pardon me. Wrong one. I think I need some sweetness after having that, all the spice. Right, okay, let's try this one. This one's not that watery, so let's try this one. Oh wow. Wow. Oh. I was expecting this one to be the worst one. I like this one the most, to be honest, because it's sweet and then sour as well, because I put some lemon juice in this one as well, so it tastes like sweet and sour at the same time. I could feel it. I could taste the tomatiness of the sauce as well. A little bit spicy, not too much, not as much as the mint one. But yeah, that was so nice. I'll definitely rate that as number one. The second one, the mint one. And third one, the tamarind one. Right, what to do now? Let's try the perfect bite, which is all three in one. Okay, let's give that a go. Right, okay, here comes the optimum perfect bite. I've got it all prepared, the main part. Let's put some tamarind sauce in that one. Let's put some green chutney sauce, and top it off with the sweet and sour tomato sauce. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit more onions on top of that. Right, okay, let's try this one now. Right, here it goes. It comes. Perfect bite, the optimum, with everything in it, all the three sauces. Okay, let's give this one a try. So many flavors, too much to handle. Oh, that was so nice. Oh, too many flavors going on in my mouth. Honestly, I just hard to describe. Got some spiciness, got sourness, got mint in the freshness, got sweetness. That was good. That was amazing. Oh, I really enjoyed that. Right, okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dig into all these guys. I'm going to finish all these, you know, all the ones I look at them. They're going to be gone by tonight. So, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this video. You know, just a little bit about eating golgappa and a little bit information about it. So hope you really enjoyed it. So take care of yourself, guys, and wait for my next video, which will be very soon. So assalamu alaikum, Sonia.